nice deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh,
nice release there. Feel good?
woo, that's crazy.
Awesome.
Left.
Does my hand go anywhere? Hi, I'm gonna crack my bones now. All right. Still can't crack my left toes. Have a great day.
So we're here with a patient who has a lot of pain right at this, what's called the CT junction, where the cervical spine meets the thoracic spine. So we're going to be doing an adjustment to that area to alleviate some tension, okay? All right, Kim, go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Very nice.
Oh,
How'd that feel?
feels good.
Awesome. Perfect.
Ok, allora, morbida, tu devi lasciare tutto a me, morbida, ok, fammi un bel respiro, fuori tutto, bellissimo, morbida, basta,
What do I do?
I don't know.
I thought you just watched it. Have you had
I want to get that, lift your leg up, push your leg up.
this one?
No. Ready?
It works.
Okay.
Let me have you lay face down on the table.
So I'm going to start out. We are going to scan the body. I'm going to go from the cervical spine all the way down, checking the leg length, and then checking the symmetry from the right side to the left side, okay? Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with any of this.
Right in there.
Okay.
Right in there too.
Okay. I know that was right where you slipped the disc at, so.
Oh yeah, right there especially.
Alright, that left side especially. Okay. Let's come down here. Take a look at the leg length. So that right leg does pull short. Right hip is raised up. Okay.
Alright, take a deep breath, let it out, perfect.
That's all good.
Here we go again. Daily crack check.
That's good. Me too, me too.
It's the satisfaction for me.
So right in there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Just relax it. Very good. Same thing here, okay? Very good.
testing out to see if this cracking trick actually works.
Oh, I'm so short. All right, ready? Set. All right, we think we can do better.
We thought we could do better.
Be more aggressive.
Yes, be more aggressive, please.
Okay. I think I'm too tall for you.
Set.
We couldn't.
Did you feel
Did
that?
you feel that?
Did it work?